Welcome everyone. So today I will tell you how can we run a PHP program on our Windows platform. If you have a window, you need to install XAMPP. Okay, so XAMPP basically collection of packages and in which you can run your MySQL and PHP and Apache server as well. So to install XAMPP, you need to go to Google and write there XAMPP download. Okay, and you will see there's first link, download XAMPP. Click on that and you will be on apachefriend.org, and you can see there are some options which are telling us that to download PHP. Okay, but not PHP, it is allowing to download XAMPP version for Windows. So I am searching for 7.3. okay, I want to install 7.3, but if you want to install 8 then you can do that, but right now I am looking to install 7.3 version. Actually this version depend on the PHP as well. As you want to install 7.5 or 7.3, then you can choose XAMPP accordingly. So as you can see here, I can install 7.3 version as well. So first I need to download it. Okay, and so actually I'm not getting the download files of 7.3, so let me download it with version 7.4, and then after installing I will downgrade it. Okay, so click on download and let me download the files. So files are downloading. So as you can see, installable file is downloading, and click on open. So it will start to install, so wait for some time. After clicking the downloadable file, you will see this type of windows. Okay, click on next button, and it is asking to pick the program which you want to install. As you can see, there are many programs which you will installable. Okay, and after when you install the XAMPP, then you will get the access of these programs like MySQL, FileZilla, Mercury Mail Server, Tomcat, Perl, PHP MyAdmin, Webalizer, Fix and Mail. Okay, so this kind of application automatically will be installed on your system. Then click on next button, and it is asking to browse the folder. If you don't have XAMPP folder in your C drive, then you can continue. Otherwise, if you want to install your XAMPP in FE or any other drive, then you can select the location. Okay, I want to install it in C drive. Click on next, and it will take some time, and it is asking to select language. You need to select English only. Okay, and click on next, and it may take few time. It is setup is now ready to begin install XAMPP on your computer. Click on next. It is taking some time. Okay, so let it install. It is unpacking files. Still it is taking some time. So now it is installed. As you can see, there's a complete message. It is saying that completely the XAMPP setup wizard. Do you want to start the control panel now? Click on finish button. So now we can see that there will be a control panel interface, and this is the interface of XAMPP control panel. Okay, if you want to start Apache, click on start, and if you want to start MySQL, click on start, and you can see this is working fine. These both application has started. Now I will tell you how can we run a PHP file on our Windows or XAMPP. Okay, so let's move to XAMPP folder. So this is my XAMPP, and this is the files and folders under XAMPP. You need to go to htdocs, click on that, and here you need to create your project or your website or your files. let me create a folder. So this is demo. I renamed it with demo. Okay, and I need to create a file under this folder. Okay, and I need to rename it test.php, right? So this is my PHP file, and I need to open it under any text editor. This is Notepad++, and I need to write something over here. So this is a test file. I just written a text over here, and now I will tell you how can we access this file. Okay, let me save it. Go to the browser, and you need to type a localhost demo and test.php, right? So this is our local host, this is our local server, and this is the project name, and this is the file name. As you can see, this file is running fine. Okay guys, if you have any question, then comment below, and if you like the video, please like the video, and if you are new on this channel, then subscribe the channel. Okay, so